Did you buy the Bose Quiet Comfort QC 25 headphones for 25 grand about a couple of years ago? And now you see the earpad cushion state of upgrading it to a newer version of QC? Well, you don't need to, because experts will tell you that wired headphones are way better than wireless ones. And all you have to do is just remove it the way I've just shown it here. Remove the old cushions, ear cushions or ear pad cushions as they call it, and order one from Amazon for just about 500 bucks. You can even replace the right and left indicators because even those come in the new package. So it's much easier for you to just take them out gently and then take the new pair and stick them in. Once you do that, the next step is to just use those new ear pad cushions that have come in the mail. Just make sure that there are 9 spots around the ear of the headphone. So make sure you hear the click sound every time you press gently on the ear pad cushion. Once you do that, things will work out fine. You might have to do it 2 to 3 times because it just takes some amount of practice. Because sometimes even if you don't have even one click happening in the right place, things might not just work out. So once you do that, in fact, if you open up the original ear pad cushion, it's exactly the same as the one that you get in the mail. Buy it from Amazon and you should be good to go.